Do you know how the legendary Virtual Boy was born? If not, here we will tell you how it was. Welcome to NINTENDOMANIAC. And this is the origin of the Virtual Boy. The Virtual Boy was a 32-bit tabletop portable video game console developed and manufactured by Nintendo. It was released in 1995 and marketed as the first console capable of displaying stereoscopic 3D graphics. However, it failed to deliver on its promises and became one of Nintendo's biggest commercial flops. The origin of the Virtual Boy can be traced back to the invention of a high-resolution portable display created by Reflection Technology, a Massachusetts-based company. The display used a single line of red LEDs and a vibrating mirror to create the illusion of a larger display. The great Nintendo designer Gunpei Yokoi, who had previously created the Game Boy and the Game & Watch line, was interested in the technology and signed a licensing agreement to use it for a new game console. The development of the Virtual Boy lasted 4 years and faced many challenges and compromises. The console was originally intended to be a head-mounted display with full-color graphics and motion tracking, but due to high costs and health concerns, Nintendo decided to use a table stand and a monochrome red display instead. The console also suffered from a lack of resources and attention from Nintendo, as the company shifted its focus to the Nintendo 64, its next home console. The designer of many popular Nintendo games, Shigeru Miyamoto, had little involvement with the Virtual Boy software. The Virtual Boy was launched in Japan on July 21, 1995, and in North America on August 14, 1995. It was priced at $179.95, which was more expensive than the Game Boy or the Super NES. The Virtual Boy received many negative reviews from critics and consumers, who complained about its uncomfortable design, poor graphics, lack of portability, and health issues such as eye strain, headaches, and nausea. The console also had a very limited library of games, with only 22 titles released, most of which were traditional 2D games that did not take advantage of the stereoscopic effect. Some of the best games for the Virtual Boy were Wario Land, a platformer featuring Mario's rival, and Jack Bros, a spin-off of the Megami Tensei series. The Virtual Boy was discontinued in early 1996 after selling only 770,000 units worldwide. It is widely considered to be one of Nintendo's worst failures and one of the worst consoles of all time. The console also marked the end of Yokoi's career at Nintendo, as he resigned shortly after the Virtual Boy's demise and died in a car accident in 1997. The Virtual Boy has since become a collector's item and a curiosity for retro gamers and enthusiasts. The concept of stereoscopic gaming on a handheld device was later revived by Nintendo with the 3DS, which was much more successful and well-received. Thank you for visiting our channel. We hope the provided information has been to your liking. We also look forward to seeing you in our upcoming videos. Thanks for following us, and we truly appreciate your comments. See you in the next video.